There are billions of decisions you make in your life. Each of them serves a different purpose. It can be either right or wrong. Similarly, computer programs take a decision depending upon the condition. Before moving ahead, we need to understand the decision-making in VB.NET. Decision-making statements in VB.NET are used to control the flow of a program by checking single or multiple conditions. If the condition is true, then only the statements are going to execute. Otherwise, the statements are not going to execute. If, then statement. The most simple statement used in VB.NET is if, then. An if, then statement checks whether the given condition is true or false, and if the condition is true, then the statement will be executed. Syntax. If, then, else statement. In if, then, else statement we can consider two different statements, one for true condition and another one for the false condition. This statement will perform a certain statement if the condition is true. And when the condition is false, an alternative statement will be executed. Syntax. Select case statement. With the understanding of if, then statement and if, then, else statement, let's head to our next statement. The select case statement executes one or multiple statements depending on the value of the condition. For multiple conditional statements, it is better to use a select case. This statement allows a multi-way case through the code. Syntax. After understanding the types of statements, now let us go through the examples of each. Program after execution gives us the result as. In the given example, module is named as decisions. We have declared a variable my name as string. Condition is if my name is same as the name declared, i.e. David. Then the output will be strings match. Console.readline will read the whole string and it will hold the console output screen until the next instruction by the user. Program after execution gives us the result as. We have declared a variable my name as string. Condition is if my name is same as the name declared, i.e. David. Then the console will print strings match. Else the console will print another statement strings do not match. Program after execution gives us the result as. We have declared a variable x as integer which is equal to 20. We define select with multiple case statements and it will execute the matched case statements with the expression value. If you observe the output of the example, the case statement, 3, matches with the defined expression value, 20, and executes the statements within the various case statements. If all case statements fail to match with the defined expression value, then the else block statements will be executed and the select statement will come to an end. Now, let's go through the important points we have covered in this topic. Decision-making statements in VB.NET are used to control the flow of a program by checking one or more conditions. There are three types. If, then. This statement is used to test a condition and execute a set of statements if the condition is true. If, then, else. This statement provides an alternate choice to the user, i.e. if the condition is true, then a set of statements are executed, otherwise another set of statements are executed. Select case. This statement provides another way to decide which statement to execute next. This statement executes one of several groups of statements depending on the value of an expression.